How happy you feel when you imagine something and it turns out to be even more amazing? Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS and let's make some DIY frames. For the first one, I am renovating an old landscape frame which doesn't match with my furnishings anymore. A landscape poster was pasted on this cardboard. Now I am covering this up with white marble print contact paper. I got this contact paper from Amazon and I am really obsessed with it. With the print, it's so subtle and sober. You can buy any print of your choice, or you can also use a wrapping paper, but finishing will be smoother in case of a contact paper. I am adding 2 layers to make it completely opaque. Now add the frame and all the attachments. This frame was earlier brown in color. I painted it white with a basic brush and matte finish white color from Asian Paints. Mine is a no glass painting, so I am adding the frame before decorating it. You can do it later. Now this is a ball sticker set. I got it from Amazon. You can also buy it from Flipkart or any other website for that matter. These are available in variety of prints and text. You can choose any one you like. Now let's decorate it. Paste any part from your sticker set according to whatever you have in mind. Now these are the temporary number plates of my car. I have been saving them from a long time. Cover these two also with the contact paper in 2 layers and we'll use the remaining stickers. If you want to add something else, you can copy whatever you like from Google Images and just paint it. See, you don't need to be a pro for everything. The imperfect things made with our own hands gives us a lot more happiness than the perfections bought with money, right? You can also use these plates to make welcome boards for your main doors, or kitchen boards to write your funny kitchen rules or quotations. So enjoy some DIY projects at home with your family and add a few masterpieces of your own. Please subscribe to RovitaS for many other amazing videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.